Yo, hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. Do you need to connect Insightly to Mailchimp? This guide will help you to integrate the two platforms, enabling seamless synchronization of your contacts and campaigns. Let's get your Insightly in Mailchimp connected. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So first of all guys, this video is gonna be about two main methods. The first method is basically by going to Mailchimp, and here you simply have to log into your accounts. The second step is to go to Insightly, of course, and go ahead and log into your account as well. You simply have to use your Gmail account. The same thing here for my account here. I'm just gonna do this and paste it right here and click on keep me logged in. Now for both things guys, the method is by going to the third-party apps through one of these apps. So it could be like basically going through like different apps. For example, you could go from Mailchimp and go to the third apps from Mailchimp and search for Insightly, or all the way around. You can do both things. So here I am on my account, so I would go to here and you will find system settings and a couple of informations. So these are the settings that you should go for and search for third-party apps or app connected or the integration list. So these are the integrations. Now as you can see, you will have here Insert QuickBooks, Mailchimp, PandaDoc and Xero. So in our case we would like Mailchimp, so I'm gonna go right here, click on install, and here you should go to your Mailchimp account and get the API key. So this integration is not currently installed. We have to get the API key from our Mailchimp account. So here we have like details about the integration. Connect to Mailchimp using your Mailchimp API and you will be able to export selected contacts and delete your email campaign list and import list subscribers from Mailchimp. Your users will also be able to view Mailchimp campaign statistics for each contacts and leads. Insightly Customer Zone Plus and higher subscription plan can set a regular input schedule, keeping your CRM up to date with new Mailchimp list subscribers. So here you can click for more information so you can get exactly how you can do it, but of course you're simply gonna go ahead and go to Mailchimp and try to get the API key real quick. So here I am just confirming my account real quick. There we go, submit verification, and now I am here. Now let me just go through it real quick. You could do the same stuff that we did in Insightly but on Mailchimp, so you can search for Insightly in this area, go to integrations, discover and search for Insightly. So just write Insight, and as you can see here it is Insightly. You could find it very easily without any problems. Now for us we need to get our basically our API key. So to get the API key is pretty easy as well on Mailchimp. To do so, you have to simply click your profile icon and choose profile, then click extras drop down and choose API keys. So you should go here, as you can see, click on profile and you will find here more options and choose the API keys. So here as you can see, go to extras, drop down, then choose API keys. So click here, API keys, and after that you simply have to wait a little bit and you will be able to go to that page. So right after you do so, you can go into your API key section and click create a key. So now the page sounds to be laggy a little bit, so let me just refresh it, and after like few seconds it will load into the API key form, and then name the key. We can create it. After that we have to name our key, be descriptive so you know what app uses that key. So normally I would name it Insightly. Keep in mind that you will see only this name and the first 4 key digits on your list of API keys. Then click generate key, which will give us the key that we want. Then once we generate your key, click copy key to clipboard, save your key somewhere or someplace secure. You won't be able to see or copy it again. If you lose this key, we need to generate a new key and update an integration that uses it, and click done, and that's pretty much it. So it's pretty simple guys. Now let's wait for this page to load. I think I'm gonna just open a new Mailchimp page. Let me just do that real quick. Okay, go to accounts. From here I could go to my profile, go to extras, open API keys in a new page. There we go. Here we can create API keys, as you can see. So create a key. Here I'm gonna name it Insightly, and copy to clipboard. Gonna go right here, and I'm gonna click on install. Now I'm simply gonna be click on done, and as you can see, let me just remove this real quick. I usually remove it by clicking here, and this is how I'm bypassing this number thing. It's pretty easy, guys. So once this is done, this integration is currently installed, as you can see, and now we have connected your Insight account with Mailchimp. So in case you can now start to schedule an import of contacts from a Mailchimp subscriber list, either daily, weekly, or monthly, to keep your Insightly contacts up to date with new subscribers to your Mailchimp list. So let's click here, as you can see. So here is the page where you can do the integration, or basically the import. So schedule import from Mailchimp. Here we have the import destination. Is going to be into our Insightly contacts, in case you would like to import the contacts. In case something else, like basically deals, then we can do the same thing. Here, Mailchimp import schedule, we can go here for frequency, weekly or monthly. Then resource only weekdays or every day including weekends, start date, end date, and other data. We can choose here the list that we want to exactly import from. Let's choose, for example, here monthly or daily, myself and others. And yeah, once you feel like you're done, you simply have to click right here. Of course, you have to get some data inside of your account in case you didn't have any more accounts. Then, or basically, you have to get some subscribers first. In case you didn't have any subscribers, well, this one will not be very useful. It's gonna be very basically useless thing to have. So once it is done, click on save, and the importation should be started, and you will now start getting your contacts every now and then, depending on the time that you have chosen or the frequency that you have chosen, either daily or weekly or monthly. You will have new contacts or new leads, depending on what type of things you have imported, getting into your Insightly account every time you have chosen it. So that's pretty much it. You can do the same thing, guys on the Mailchimp. So you can go here, go to discover, and basically normally you will find Insightly in it as well. So that will be very easily to do. You will do the same things. Basically, Mailchimp will give you the same instructions, or if you didn't find an instruction, you can go to the Q&A of Mailchimp and you will be able to actually find the solution for it. And that's pretty much it, guys, for today's video. If you do have any more questions or problems that you have faced during this video, make sure to mention them in the comment below, in the comments down below, and see you guys in the next tutorial.